Hi guys, welcome to Liliana's Fun Club. Today we're going to be making a toilet paper frog. So first we're going to paint the toilet paper. Okay, so while we're going to wait it to dry, we're going to cut out the legs and the head and the eyeballs. And then after we're going to stick it on. So first, my mom traced this, did this. I don't think if you guys can see it, but she did like a little circle there for the eyeball. Then I'm gonna trace it on the paper. Trace the eyeball. Okay. Okay, so I am done with the black. Now let's stick it on. Okay, not yet. Still wet? Come on, it sticks to the table. Still wet. Still wet. Okay, now I'm gonna cut out the head. Okay, I'm done with the head. And then I'm done with the eyes. Don't forget, we're not making a bunny. We're not making an alien bunny. We're making a frog! We're not making an alien bunny. We're making a frog! Okay. It actually looks nice. Now to cut out this and this. And this and that. I still need to trace this one too. So I just traced the other one and then this, and I just cut it out. And I'm done with all the cutting parts. Yeah! Okay, so now it's time for, I think, to glue it. Now I just need to, bend it. I put it in. And then so I can glue it. Okay, just go like that. Just go like that. And I might put some lines to make it. Okay, let's get gluing. So glue didn't work, so I got some tape. And then, so how to make a double-sided tape is you put both of these together like a little mouth for chickens. And then, but don't do it halfway. Just do it halfway, don't do the whole. And then with the other half, put it on the sticky part, and then all the sticky parts are sticky. Then after you do that, you can, here, put it on the tape. And then put it on the thing. Yeah, just like that. For the leg. Okay, so now I'm gonna, cut this out and then trace it. So it's the arm for the frog. trace it like I need it to. Okay, so I just cut out the arm, traced it, and then glued it on, and I'll show you. So first, you need to like suspend it a little, and then make it stick out. So then bend it a little back, and then do it in the front, like right here, like kind of like, I don't know, and just like that, like it's sitting, like I do, and you guys do. Okay, now it's time for the head. Here comes the hard part. Okay, so I actually don't know where to put this. Actually, put it on the bunny ears. Actually, guys, looks like bunny ears though to me. Doesn't look to you, but when you're done, it will not. Doesn't it look like sad eyes? Actually, does to me. Because the glues are wet, and it's gonna keep coming out, and plus the paint is a little wet. So, a little, just tiny bit. The head just moved because of the hand. I'm gonna put some tape in the back so it will hold. Just like that. If you guys can see. Okay. Doesn't he look so cute? Okay, now to make a face. We'll need to make a face, obviously. And after we need to put the tape. This head is not listening to me. So I decided to remove the head because I needed a flat space to draw the mouth. So let me start drawing. Just draw a big smiley face with little things on the and then make its chin. I think it looks like a chin. Little line, just like that. Just a little line. And then for the nose, just make like a little smiley face. Okay, now it's time to glue this on. Now I need to put it back on because of the tape bottom. This is a frog reveal. 3, 2, 1. Let's lead the frog. Comment down below what other things we should do. Bake, make, and crafts. Like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.